Hello everyone, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tahina, and on this channel we do hauls, Temu hauls, Dollar Tree hauls. If this sounds good to you guys, then make sure you subscribe. And today I have a little tiny Temu haul. I have 2 bags, but I think I only have like 10 items, so I thought I'd show them to you. I will make more purchases, but for now, this is all I have right now. So, and I wanted to do the video so I could start using the items. I will post prices up here, like I always do. Okay, so the first thing in here, whoa, this is, okay, this is actually, and I think a lot of it is t-shirts. This is actually a bright orange. In the picture, it looked like an orangey red color, but this is a bright color. I don't mind it because I like neon colors, but I'm just saying it's a bright orange color. So I got this t-shirt. I thought it was cool because I've always liked TLC, and so I waited. It was in my cart for a long time. I think it was like $10 or something. I didn't want to pay the $10. So I waited until it was like $6 something, I think it was. And I think, yeah, I got all the same sizes. I think I have to go down a size because I've lost some weight and now everything is baggy on me. Next up, okay, I did haul this type of shirt before, and I said there was 2 other colors. I did end up getting the 2 other colors. Actually, to tell you the truth, I haven't even worn the first one yet, so maybe I shouldn't have bought it. But, you know, until I seen how it looked or whatever, but I got it anyway. So the last one that I had was like a light gray, and right here it was like a mint green color. It does have tassels like on the bottom, so like if it's too long or too baggy, you can close them out to make it thinner. But yeah, and it's just a one piece. You know, it's not a t-shirt in here or anything like that. I thought it was cute. You know, a little casual, fancy-ish. So yeah. And so here's the other one. So the first one I showed is this light gray. But this one is actually got purple inside instead of the mint green. And like I said, it has the tassels, which is cool. And the only thing I don't like about these, wait, oh, this one, I didn't notice this. Actually, I didn't notice this. This one, I can't remember what the first one is, but this is short sleeve. And this one is long sleeved. I never noticed that because I was going to say the only issue I have about it is the long sleeves, because I don't like wearing long sleeves. Which I should, because I don't like showing my extra fat in my arms. But I don't like wearing long t-shirts for whatever reason. I guess it's because, I don't know. Actually, to tell you the truth, I don't know what it is. I guess I could just roll up the sleeves. Okay. Oh, I know what this is. Okay, so I've had this in my cart as well. This is like the, no, that's a lie. I was going to say this is like the only thing that's not clothes. But it's not. But I've had this in my cart for the longest, and it was, I believe this kit was, well, I shouldn't say kit, a set of 9, right? Yeah, a set of 9. I believe when I first put this in my cart, they were like $10, and I don't want to pay $10. And I think I ended up paying $5 or $6. They are sticky notes. They're little bee sticky notes. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you will know that I am opening an Etsy shop soon. And my shop theme are bees. So I wanted to get the sticky notes so when I start doing shop stuff, I can start writing down like whatever orders I need to cut or whatever. So I thought these were cute. They do have like individual ones that were like $1.28 or something like that. Whatever it was, like if you actually, and you don't get to pick, I don't think you got to pick which style it was. So, and I believe these are all different. But if you bought, say you bought 9 of them at the $1.28 or whatever it was still cheaper to get the set. So I went for the set. Oh, sorry, baby. Okay, so next up is a Christmas t-shirt. I'm starting to do Christmas stuff little by little. And I like Gnomes. Like, I know a lot of people are sick of Gnomes, but, and this vinyl is like, you know, cheap vinyl. But like I said, I've had some t-shirts where some of them are like the vinyl starting to peel off. There was one where it peeled off like the second time I used it. But the ones like this, I have not had a problem yet. And I've washed them a number of times, and this has not come off. So, but I know a lot of people are sick of the Gnomes. Personally, I started on the Gnomes maybe last year, so that's why it's still like new to me, and I'm not sick of it. Okay, so, and the last thing is, what is this? I'm trying, oh, I know what this is. I was going to say, I'm trying to think of what else was in here. This was actually a free item. That's what I wanted to talk to you guys about. Okay, so, you know how you get a deal, like when you go into the app, it starts a wheel or something like that? There was a deal where I got a free item. I clicked on the free item, then they gave me 2 free items. I picked the second free item, then they gave me 4 free items. And then they said if you purchase $50 worth of stuff. That's what I did. But you have to watch out, because this particular one, even though I've had them do that before and it wasn't like this, that particular one that I clicked on only gave you 1 free item with the $50. And then, like, you have to go the next day or the next, you know, within the next 2 days and go and click on the second prize and then do an order. And then I guess it keeps going on and on. Once I found that out, I didn't even bother with the second prize, because I was like, that sucks. So basically, in order to get the 4 free prizes, and I don't know how much it was supposed to be that you would have to spend each time. So I would say you have to spend at least over $100 to get the 4 free items. And you have to go multiple days, which really sucks. So watch out for that. If you don't mind doing that and you're already doing orders, then, you know, it's whatever. But I couldn't do it. I couldn't do 4 different orders at one time. Okay, so these were the freebies that I picked. Like I said, I picked 4 items, and they don't let you pick which item. I don't think they let me do that. They only let me claim this item. Because there was a purse that I wanted for my aunt. And they didn't let me pick it. It was the second prize. So, because I didn't do the second order, I didn't get it. But these pins, I don't know how good they're going to be, but if you've seen my videos before, you know I have tried to buy some calligraphy pins, and none of them have worked. I don't know. I'm new to calligraphy. I don't know how to film. I've Googled and looked online on the different ways you can film. I even got cartridges to film, and I make sure that they pop and do all that stuff, and they still don't write. So I don't know what I'm doing, so I grabbed these because they already got the ink in them, because I do have 2 pens that have the ink in them already that I can actually write with, but they're very thick. They're like a 1.0, and I don't like 1.0. I like 0.5, and I believe these are 0.5. They don't say on here though. Okay, so yeah, so there's a blue, an orange, a pink, a purple. I guess this is a bluish purple, a green, a red, and a black. So I thought that was cool. I could use those for my notes. So that's the first bag. Okay, so let's get all this trash. Okay, I think that's all trash. And then I can get, now this is what I've been waiting for. This is why I did the video, because these items I actually want. Where are my cutters? I don't know where my little knife is. Darn it. Ooh, and the ink's already coming out of these. So yeah, I don't like when the liquid is like this, because they tend to like run out of ink super fast. But like I said, I wanted to see if I could actually use the pens. Okay. Yeah, I figured this was what it was. Okay. So I got this for my silhouette. Okay, so it's got the, what's it called? The C port. So, and I'm going to use this on my silhouette. I'm going to post it, you know, clip it on there, and then I wonder if it's charged. Let's see. It's charging it. Oh, it is. Oh, okay. See? So it's not super, well, yeah, it's pretty bright, actually. I thought it was going to be like super dim, but it's not. Oh, it changes color too. Okay. So was that 3 settings? Yeah, okay. So you got a white, you got a yellow, and then you got a mix of white and yellow. Okay, that's cool. I like that. I'm glad that it wasn't, I can't remember how much I paid for this, but I'm glad it's not like a cheap one. Okay, and the next 2 items are the same item. I just got 2 of them. So hopefully these work. Okay, so I got these lights to go on my ceilings, because for some reason in this city that I live in, there's no lights in the living room or the bedrooms for whatever reason, and it sucks, you know, because you can't light up the whole room. So I thought of getting these, because these ones, there's some that like you have to, like if there's a light if there's a light switch thing up there, you have to put the wires in. But this one in particular, if I can open it, this one takes batteries, because there's no lights switch thing or whatever that I can just like put a light bulb in or anything like that. So, which is stupid. I don't get why people in the city don't put lights in there. That's stupid. It says open. Okay. It does come with little screws to go in the ceiling. And it comes with a little switch thing, which I like, because I don't want to have to go up there, because there is a switch thing right here. Okay, and this ain't gonna work because it needs batteries. So that's the only thing about having some battery. I would have liked it if I could have charged it, I guess. You know, took it off the ceiling and then charged it. Yeah, so I just got 2 because I wasn't sure how bright they were going to be. And I think they were pretty cheap. I want to say I paid $15 for both of them, I think. Had to get my boyfriend to undo it. Okay, so see, it does need a lot of batteries though. That's a bad thing. It needs 6 for each one. So I knew that coming in. It shows that you need that many. But like I said, I want light in here, you know? So hopefully, I'm not going to put the back on yet. Oh, okay. So, changes color? Oh, okay. I guess it changes color. It's kind of weird. Oh, okay. So it has the, on the switch, I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. But on the switch, it says on, night, day, off. So this is on. Oh, okay, you touch it. Oh, okay, cool. So we got a white, a light bluish one, and a yellow one. Okay, cool. So, let's see. Okay, I just wanted to check to see how good it is. It's not very good. That's why I got 2, because I'm thinking maybe if I put 2, it'll make it better. I don't know. We'll have to see. But, yeah. And then I got to figure out how to screw it in. Because the paper only says about the remote shit. It doesn't say anything about how to put it on the ceiling or anything like that. Because I think the picture it showed, I guess the screws go in these little things, and you put it up there, and then you put this on here. I guess. I don't know. That's what I'm assuming. That's what I'm assuming happens. But, yeah, so that's everything in this haul. I know it was a little quick one, but if you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.